How to link your Google Analytics 4 or GA4 account to your Google ad account. That's what I'm going to be showing you in this particular video. I'm actually going to show you two different methods that you can do this. Both work equally fine. And if you also stay through to the end of the video, I also show you how you can link two different Google Analytics properties to the one Google ad account. So make sure you stick around through to the end. And if you like this video, be sure to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. All right, let's go dive into our accounts, and I'm going to show you just how easy it is to link these accounts. So here we are in the back end of our analytics account, and I just logged into my GA4 analytics account and went to the admin section, and that lands me on this page here. All right, so this is the first way we're going to link our GA4 account to Google Ads, is using analytics. So we go to the admin section, we scroll down and we go to Google Ads links. As you can see here, there are no links here yet, so we're going to click on this link button, and this is where we need to choose the account to link to. All right, it's worth mentioning here that the email address that we've used to log into GA4 needs to match the email address inside our Google ad account. Otherwise, Google's going to think it's a permissions issue, and we won't be able to link the accounts. Okay, so I click on choose Google ad account to choose, obviously, the Google ad account to link to. And the account is in my manager account. So I click on this arrow, and I've scrolled down to where my account is that I want to link to. And I scroll back up, confirm, click next. We can see it's enabled personalized advertising. That's good. I click next here. That's on. Great. And I click submit. And then my link has been created here. Like, that's really how easy it is. So I can close this. And here is the account that I have linked to, and that looks all good. Now, the other way we're going to do it is by doing it from our Google ad account. So here I am in my Google ad account under linked accounts. So how to get to this particular section inside your Google ad account, you go to tools and settings, setup, and linked accounts. Now you'll see here, so this is my linked accounts and products. I've already got Google Analytics 4 linked because I just did it in the previous step. Okay, so when you log into your Google ad account, if you're going to do it this particular method, it won't be linked yet. It's this Google Analytics 4 and Firebase is going to be located here under from Google. All right, and then you will click on the details. So just to show you here, so I click on manage and link. And as you can see here, this is the Google Analytics 4 property, which I just linked to because it says the status is linked, and I can actually unlink it here. Obviously, if it wasn't linked, the actions would be to link it. So that's how easy it is to link your GA4 account to your Google ad account. You can actually link more than one analytics property to one Google ad account. So if I scroll down to my other website, which I'm also going to link to this Google ad account, this is the other property that, because I've got two websites that I want to link to the one account. So this is the other property I want to link to. So I click link, and I'm going to import Google Analytics audiences. That's fine. And I click link. And by scrolling to the top, it says project successfully linked. You can now see that I have two properties that I have linked to the one Google ad account. So that's how easy it is. If you like this video, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for lots of really helpful traffic generating videos. Thanks for watching.